What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today we're going to be talking about Theta in options. Now, Theta is one of the Greeks in the options, and it's probably one of the most important ones, so this video is really important. I highly recommend that you watch the whole thing, but you can refer to Theta as time decay. And what time decay is in options is, well, when you're trading an option, you can buy the same strike prices at different expiration dates. So you could go a month out, 2 months out, 3 months out, you can go years out. There's a lot of expiration dates on options. So when you purchase one of those farther out options, so when you purchase any of these options, there's a thing called theta, which is time decay. So the closer in days you get to your expiration, the more theta is going to increase and the quicker your option is going to expire. So say you bought a $10 option, that'd be $1,000. If theta was $1, every single day that passes towards your expiration, you would lose $1 on your contract. So if the stock you bought didn't go up $1 closer to your strike price, you would lose that dollar. Every single day, theta is eating away at your contract. So in order to counteract that, the stock that you bought the option for has to go in the direction you're aiming for, whether it's a call or a put. And when you're buying farther out options, say you buy like a year away option, theta doesn't really affect it as much. It's when you're getting closer and closer to the expiration date. Yeah, theta affects these contracts a little bit, but it's nowhere near as extreme as when you're getting closer, like 2 weeks into your expiration. Theta starts to really eat away at your contracts. So in the example I just said, if the stock didn't move at all, you would just be losing $1 every single day until expiration hits, and then your contract would be worthless. But if the stock goes up to your break even and you get to your break even before expiration, then you'll just lose no money and make no money. But any dollar amount past your break even is $100, like we explained in the break even video. So if you don't know what break even is, be sure to go watch that video on our channel. Be sure to hit the like button as well, subscribe to the channel. But let's get a visual representation for you guys. So let's go to Walmart for this one, because Walmart has strike prices $1 away from each other, so I feel like it'll be easier to explain. So this is this week's contracts. This is February 14th, and it is Monday today. February 10th, Monday. So when you click on this contract that's at the money, this 116, you'll see all the Greeks down here, assuming you have Robinhood. If you don't have Robinhood, some of the other brokers might have this information, but a lot of them don't post it. So if you have Robinhood, you'll be able to see this. And you'll see theta 0.1025. So that means every single day that this contract doesn't get to the break even, which the break even is 116.57 because you're paying 57 cents for this contract, you're going to lose this 10 cents on your contract every single day. So say the stock just continues to trade at 115.39, or even if it goes up to 116, it's still going to lose this 10 cents a day, which makes sense because today is Monday. Friday's the expiration's 5 days away, so 10 cents times 5, that's 50 cents, plus this 25 adds up a little bit too, so it's probably more like 54 cents. This contract's going to only be worth about 3 cents by expiration, assuming the stock doesn't get closer to the break-even price. But like I've said in almost every video, once you get to your break-even price, every dollar amount the stock goes up is $100, so you got to remember that. Theta doesn't eat away at that. The theta is extrinsic value, because we could go to the February 21st, the same contract, 116, this contract's worth $2.34. That's a lot different than the one over here that's only worth 57 cents, because this one has over $150 of extrinsic value because there's so much more time. But of course, this higher price increases your break even, so that means Walmart has to move up in a bigger move. And this counts for both the put side as well, because on the put side, the 115's 251. If we go to this week's, it's only 74. So that should give you an idea of how much theta actually affects these contracts. If we look out at this farther one, the theta is 12 cents a day, so it's a little bit higher as well. So it's going to eat away a little bit faster. But the one this week theoretically has a better chance of making you money because it's not as expensive, but they're still both risky. Option trades extremely risky. You lose most or all of your financial investment. Please consult with a financial advisor, not recommendation, educational purposes only. Thank you. And I hope that makes a little bit sense of how this works. Another example, we got this debit spread, and spreads lose value even quicker once they get closer to expiration. This Boeing, it's worth $60 right now, but if Boeing doesn't move from $344. If it doesn't start moving up, these contracts are going to lose a lot of value very quickly. We can go to them and look at their theta. These are ticking away 50 cents a day. So these are losing a lot of value really quick. This one's losing 44 cents. This one's losing almost 49. So that's about a $5 gap in the spread. That means you're losing about $5 a day on the spread. So if the stock's not moving up, your spread's going to slowly lose value as well. So yeah, that's really all you need to know about theta. It's just time decay. The more time you have on these contracts, the more they're worth. And the closer you get to expiration, the less they're going to be worth. So just always remember that. And of course, volatility affects your contracts as well. So you got to always remember theta is just like if the stock stays like consistent and constant. That's really all it's pricing in. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Be sure to hit the like button. Be sure to subscribe if you're new. Be sure to check us out live. We're live Monday through Friday, market open to market close. And I'll see you guys in the next video.